Hey guys, Lindsay with the Scrap Room here. Today I've got a quick and easy tutorial to show you how you can customize a digital tumbler mug design with custom text using Canva's free online design program to personalize it for your DIY sublimation tumblers. The design I'm going to add text to is a skinny 20-ounce tumbler size image, so I'm going to create a new custom size workspace that's 9.3 by 8.2 inches in size, but you can create a workspace to fit any design you like. Once your workspace opens up, go over to Upload in the left menu bar and click the Upload Files button to upload your image. Once you've uploaded it, you'll be able to find it in your Canva library. I've already uploaded my design, so it's already here. Now you can add the design to your workspace either by clicking on it, which will drop it into your workspace, and you can resize it to fit the page by clicking and dragging the corners, or you can also click and drag the image into your workspace. If you drag and drop it into your workspace like this, it'll actually resize it to fit your page, but it'll give it a little bit of a bleed on it, so it'll be a little bit big. And depending on the design you're using, if you're using like a seamless design, you might want to shrink that down so that it's just the exact size of the page, so it doesn't cut anything off. To drag and drop it in to have it fill the page, you do need to drag and drop it right near the edge of the page. If you drag and drop it into the center, it'll drop it in smaller and then you just resize it larger. Either way works fine. Once you've added your Tumbler image to your workspace, now you can easily overlay it with any custom text you like. To do this, just click on the text option in the left menu bar and add a text field to your page. Double click on the text and then add your custom or personalized text, and then go pick out a font. You can resize the text, move it, rotate it, recolor it. To move the text, just click on it and drag it. And then to rotate it, just select your text and then click the little spinning arrows and then drag your mouse whichever way you want to spin it. You can also duplicate your text field by selecting it and hitting Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, or just click the little duplicate text button and it'll automatically duplicate that text field if you want to add a second layer of text. Canva's also got a lot of different cool text effects that you can play with. So just you can select your text field and then go up to Effects and then just play with the different options. Some of them have like multiple color options. If you want to change the color to one of the colors that's in the image that you're using, just select the text and then click the color picker tool. And then you can click the little eyedrop tool and actually hover over the image itself and then select any color that you want. And that's a great way to match the text to your image really easily. If you're looking for a text effect that'll really help it pop off your background design, this splice and outline are really good ones because they've just got that extra color, gives the text a little bit of a border, and just gives it that nice pop so that it's easier to read off a busy background like this one. One of my favorite things about digital art is how easy it is to change things. It's really easy to just flip through a bunch of different colors and see which one you like best with it being hardly any effort at all. Don't forget when you're doing these custom designs, you're only going to see about a third of the design at any point in time when it's on the mug itself. So a lot of times if you're doing like these two text fields are pretty long. So instead of putting them horizontal like this, I'm going to actually go ahead and rotate them so that they're vertical and then make them larger so they're easier to see. And that way they'll take up, like when you're viewing the mug head on, you'll be able to see the whole text and read all of it on there. When you're all done with your design, go to Share in the upper right hand corner and then click on Download. And then you'll want to download this one as a PNG file since it's an image. And that's going to give you the best quality. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks. Bye.